What's up guys, my name is Sara Dietschy. I'm a YouTuber, but I'm also an alum of the Creative Residency. So it is my honor to get to share and interview the upcoming Adobe residents. I have
Zalenga, but it's hard.
Where are you from?
Germany.
Tell me about your creative residency project.
I'm approaching strangers on the street to take a photo of them, and during this project I realized that especially older people were super hesitating because they thought of themselves as not being beautiful anymore. In my project I want to show that, like the visual beauty of age with super cool looking old people, but also showing the invisible beauty of age, because during that project I also realized the conversations I had with old people were the best conversations. Like if they have 3 times more years of living on this planet than I do, then obviously they know so much more about life, and I just felt like those two things together is something worth sharing.
Not only take portraits, but you take beautiful self-portraits. Can you show off your tattoo?
Yeah.
It's like a self-timer. It's amazing. And so what are some things that you're excited about exploring during the residency?
I'll definitely try and do a whole mix of things. I mean, obviously I want to do portraits because that's my thing. And then I also want to show the handwriting of the people because I think there's something so beautiful and unique about handwriting.
Cool. All right, Laura, so we're gonna do a lightning round of questions. You gotta answer quick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What camera do you use?
The Sony A7R II.
What's your favorite lens?
85mm. Fixed lens, definitely.
Beautiful. Lightroom or Photoshop?
Do I really have to decide? I definitely.
You do.
Photoshop is my magic world, my wonderland.
Favorite place in the world?
Funnily, I'd say home.
One goal for this year?
Maybe surprise myself.
I like that.